morning, everyone. My name is Nada. My team and I are going to discuss with you a major issue that we think it's an area of concern in the University of Sydney. The problem is related to the lack of attendance. We believe that students used to attend the first week of lectures and then they disappear, showing a lack of responsibility towards the university, the lecturers, as well as responsibility for themselves.
So what's the reason of the students not coming to class?
Through our research, we realized that students do not show to classes because classes are too boring. Lecture recordings, participation and attendance are not graded. Public transportations and other personal reasons.
Yes, so do you have any solutions for this problem?
The solution that we found is that we rethink that students have a lot of care towards receiving a high grade. That's why we decided to include 25% from the total course grade to attendance and participation. In addition to that, we decided to install a fingerprint and facial recognition machine. Yeah, I know it sounds creepy, but we believe that it will enhance the attendance and make students attend more the classes and participate in the lecture. So Duan, what do you think? How would this machine work? Why don't you tell us how would this machine work?
Yeah, so this machine is actually benefit for the students. First of all, so in the class can actually connect the students and the lecturers, and face-to-face communication can actually convey the concern, respect, and support. And so the activities we do here is can actually improve the students' sense of responsibility and also their self-motivation to learning. And secondly, students can get to know each other better from the same class. They can have some discussions and then they can make friends. And this will increase their public relation. And also your classmate might be your future friends and also your mentor in your life.
Yeah, Joanne, that's the benefits for students, but can you tell us what's the benefits for the university or the government or other beneficial?
Yeah, so for the university, the education department, they can actually improve the course design according to the students' attendance. The interesting course can actually attract more students to attend the class, and they will make more effort to get a high grades. And the high grades can actually attract more enrollment of the international and the domestic students. And in addition, government can actually regulate the overseas study market according to the student attendance report provided from the university. And
that's good. But how stakeholders are going to be affected by this machine?
So in my part, I have identified some stakeholders who are related to our project. They are lecturers, students, administration department, IT department, government, and also the transportation system. For lecturers, administration department, and also our government are the stakeholders who have high power and high interest in our project. Lecturers and administration departments will get more benefits from our machine in terms of this will improving students' achievement, and they will get more convenience at their work. And also, lecturers will get more accurate feedback from students. The government will pay more attention to our students' actual behavior in our university. And also they have their authority to cancel students' visa who have a lower attendance rate. And students are the pragmatist of our classroom attendance. They will gain more benefit from our high attendance rate. Also, one reason for students who are lazy to go to their lecture room is our transportation system. So in our opinion, our transportation system need to design more reasonable routes and more reasonable price for our international students. So this is what I want to say.
Yeah, that's interesting. So Taurus, how do you think how are you going to work out with your team?
In order to ensure smooth running of the project, each team member will utilize our specific strengths to help our team and influence the key stakeholders from different aspects. Nada plays coordinator for this project. What she needs to do is to schedule and plan the process of the project to help our project to become more flexible and practical. John is added as a role to convey the intention of the project to different type of stakeholders, allowing the stakeholders to fully understand our project and make better decisions. Penny is responsible for doing some financial analysis and the project budgeting to manage the funds effectively. As for me, I'm in charge of collecting and analyzing data from questionnaires to show the attitude and ideas of students on the project tuning. In conclusion, we use our different strengths to divide the work of our project to influence stakeholders and ultimately achieve the purpose of promoting this project. That's all.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you.